This company will pay you just to share your medical knowledge and expertise in compensated market research studies to help shape future healthcare developments. Become an M3 Global Research member in 10 minutes by following the 5 registration steps. Have your identity card and, where relevant, your medical license at hand to go through the verification process quicker. Your data and privacy are also protected, so you have nothing to worry about. I stumbled upon this website that pays physicians, patients, and caregivers for their knowledge, for their wisdom, for their expertise. Okay, so it works like the other website, but this one pays you more because you're going to, it's not for everybody actually. So if you don't have any knowledge or qualification, please just swipe away. So you're going to start the registration, but before then, let's read about them. So it says M3 Global Research was formed in 2006 by M3 Inc. I want to go to, let's move here. So today, M3 Global Research has built the world's largest panel of verified healthcare professionals, numbering over 2 million members worldwide, committed to high-quality market research that helps shape future healthcare developments. We continue to expand the horizons of what's possible. Our story is one of continuous growth, driven by a vision to improve patients' outcome. As an M3 member, you gain access to a wide range of paid market research studies, including online surveys, in-depth interviews, and focus groups. Each study offers compensation and contributes to addressing global healthcare needs. Okay, this one is really good for people that are into healthcare. You're going to take online surveys, interviews. They will organize focus groups, which would be done online. Okay, so you're not going, after reading this, if you're ready to start, it's going to take this simple process. You're going to do verification to ensure the quality of the research and the authenticity of their panel. They verify each person's identity. That's the identity and profession. They will do data protection. They adhere to country-specific and international regulations for data privacy and protection. There's a secure payment. You're going to receive your earnings via the M3 wallet available on your M3 account. The digital wallet gives members convenient and secure payment option within their country of residence. Paid studies. The healthcare market research studies we offer to members are well compensated, flexible, and specific to professions and medical specialties. You are never obligated to participate. It's not by force. So this organization is the world's largest panel of verified healthcare professionals. Millions of doctors and people share their insights. So you can contact them for more information. So you're going to start with your name and your last name, your email address. Confirm your email address. You choose your profession. Look, they have so many professions here. Physician, post-training, physician in training, physician assistant, nursing professionals, administrator, biomedical engineer, dental professional, eye care professional, laboratory, clinical researcher, medical student, medical technologist, allied health, midwife, non-clinical healthcare professional, other clinical healthcare professional, pharmacy professional, public health, patient consumer caregiver. So if you fall into this category, just choose it, select it, and continue with your application. The best part about this is that they are taken from everywhere. So location shouldn't be your problem. Anywhere you are, just check your country, you will find your country. They're accepting application worldwide. So you choose your country, enter option A to participate in market research and other healthcare studies. Check this. Make sure you're 18 years of age or older. Then click on next and then continue. Do you suffer from any health condition? No. If you do, you can put it there because they're also taking patients as well. Do you care for a person with a health condition? So that one is not a family member. If you work in the healthcare industry, if you work at the healthcare in a clinic, you can select that as yes. Please add your mobile number to your M3 account and click send code to receive your confirmation code by text. So you need to put your phone number to receive a code to continue. So add your phone number to receive a code, and if you also have an alternative number, you can add it. It's optional. And then click on next. This will bring you to this page. So here is where you're going to select your ID type. You can select your ID type from your computer. You can take a picture of it. You can scan your face. That is how to confirm your identity. So, but you can also say skip for now. Let's see. So if you click on continue, it either asks you to complete on your mobile phone or on your desktop. Let's see. So when you click on complete on your mobile phone, it's going to send you a link which you're then going to click on your mobile phone. After entering your phone number, you then use that link to complete this stage. So, but if you don't have your ID handy, you can click on skip for now. So when you skip, it brings you to where you're going to put your address and everything. So once you put your address, your postcode and all, it says you're almost done. Activate your account. When you registered, we sent you an email that contains a confirmation link. Complete your registration with M3 Global Research. In order to activate your account, check your email and click on the link in the email. You will not receive survey invitation until you click in the link to activate your account. So you're then going to go to your email and verify your email with the link sent to you. So once you do that, your registration is complete. You can now start searching for surveys. Okay, so current opportunities, because I just signed up, it says unfortunately there are no surveys available to you at this time. To receive invitation to market research studies when they're available to you, please make sure to add our email to your address book and save list. Confirm that you are opted into market research studies by navigating to contact preferences and checking the box. Okay, check if we require any information to verify your account by navigating to account personal details and account professional details. So this is the home page here. This is where your new compensation will come, your new study, mobile friendly, your patient chart. So you're going to fill your patient chart and record. Real world evidence study, collecting data about the real world use of medical services. So this organization has a lot to offer you if you're in this field. If you're in the medical field, it has a lot to offer you. Okay, so whenever there's available studies, they will send it to you. But please make sure you complete your profile. I know I skipped my data page. I did not verify my identity yet. Do you agree to participate? So yes, agree to this. So make sure you complete this particular page. Do you suffer from any health condition? No. Do you care for a person? I already did this. It's asking me to do it again. So this is for the profile. I don't want to go into all this now. So once you complete your account and your account is set, mine is not set. Once you complete your account and your account is set, make sure to complete your personal details, contact preferences. So make sure to complete all these things, your personal details, contact preferences. This is your user ID when asked by support specialist. So let's say you want to ask for something or you want to make some inquiries, they would need this. Okay, have it handy, keep it somewhere. So this is it. Once you submit your application and once you finish the sign up process and verify your identity, wait for them to email you with research and you start earning money. This one will pay you really well. Okay, don't overlook it. It's going to pay you if you're in this field. All right, and that will do it for us. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you're going to sign up. And the reason I'm sharing is because they're taking from all locations. They're taking from anywhere in the world, all countries, So let me know if you're going to sign up. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, and leave a comment. And I will see you guys in the next one.